Taking a look at the Glock 43 Apex with their Apex Special Edition series. It's going to be for the slimline series of Glock pistols. The Glock 43 is what we're going to be putting this in. A flat face trigger bar, and a connector. First thing we're going to do is remove the magazine. Visual physical inspection to make sure that the gun is unloaded. Close the slide. Only special armorer's tools you really need for this is going to be Glock armorer's tool. I find it easier to go from the right side of the gun when you're putting it in, and go from left to right when you're taking it out. And this newer style, if you can put a little bit of pressure on and off of the slide lock lever when you do it, you can find that sweet spot where it'll come out nice and easy. Set your pin aside. And you're going to drive this pin out. Doesn't matter which direction you go, there's no right or wrong on that one. So we got our two pins. Set them over out of the way. Take our locking block and just lift it up and out. Set it over out of the way. And this is just captured by the locking block. Slide lock lever, get it over out of the way. Just a little bit of gentle lift. Pull your whole trigger assembly up and out. So we have our stock connector, trigger bar. And we're gonna take it apart and do it up and out. Good time to get this nice and clean if it's been a while. So this whole assembly is going to be replaced on this pistol with the Apex Special Edition series. Alright, now we're going to take this connector, put your tool right there on the back side. So right there. And just push that out. Comes up and out. Take our new one. First part for me half the time is getting these stupid bags open, and I end up just doing this. Put it in that notch, give it a nice press. It sits in there like that. Take our new one. And it's been a while since I've done this, but slides into the lever just like that, and it's done. Super easy. Now, if you pinch this and you put it back together, things will drop down in there a little easier. Down and in. We have our smaller of the two pins. Put it back in. I like to take it sideways and just. So the last few steps to finish this, you're going to take your locking block, slide it in. That holds your slide lock lever in place. And you got one last pin, and my preference is to go from the right side to the left side of the gun and just give it a nice little nudge. Sometimes put it on a flat surface, take your punch, whatever it is you're using, armorer's tool. Oh, sorry about that. Give it a little wiggle around to make sure there's room for it. Finish snapping it in place. And it's really that easy. Alright guys, that's the installation of the new Apex action enhancement trigger for the slimline Glock, the Glock 43. Guys, it feels great. Nice crisp break, shorter travel, good ergonomics. I think you guys are going to love it. Anyway, if you like the look of this little Glock 43, guys, this is the Talon grips, the rubber texture, and these are the F8 night sights that actually love from XS sighting systems. This is the XS F8 night sights. Really jump out and help you find them fast. This is going to be fun to shoot. Can't wait to try it out.